In this video, I will be providing you with a few more home addition roof design ideas for someone who's going to build a home addition next to the property line where you might have a fence. And in this situation, we're going to use a block wall fence. And I believe what the person was trying to ask for when they sent me this question was to prevent any water from going into their neighbor's property. And any roof design that would be sloping into that area obviously would require some type of a gutter and a roof drainage system to prevent that from happening. So this is going to eliminate a couple of roof designs. However, it will not eliminate this one here, which will be a gable roof with any slope that you can use. And of course, it's going to die back into the existing building, and then you will have a valley on each side. Then we will have this option here, a shed roof design that can be built in either direction. You could have the roof sloping in this direction or sloping in this direction. And this design right here will have a wall that will come up onto the roof, and then this will be the water drainage section. And of course the water here will drain towards the front of the house. Like I said, you can always have it drain to the back of the house if you needed to. Then we have the shed roof coming in this direction, and of course this would require a gutter on it also. And even though this might not be the best option if you live in an area where it snows, you could always have it sloping back and then build a roof drainage cricket to shed the water off to either side. And even though I didn't draw it, you could always have the roof cricket going up a little farther so that the water could drain off to one side if you wanted. However, that will be up to you because that will affect the design of one side that might need to have a line coming all the way across. And in our last example, we could raise the walls high enough to use a gable roof again and then put a roof drainage cricket on this side, and then of course gutters on this side to collect the water and prevent it from going into your neighbor's property. And hopefully you've got at least one idea that might help you with this situation. If not, then go to the website and click on Home Additions, and then click on Home Addition Designs or Home Addition Roof Designs for more videos about different roof designs that might be a little more helpful.